Hey everyone, so in today's video, I'll be sharing with you all my method and tips on how I get the sleekest silk presses in my unit, so definitely stay tuned. Hey everyone, thank you for clicking on this video. Now, if you're interested in seeing how I silk press my straight wigs, definitely continue watching. This unit comes from Amanda Hair. The box was beat up, so I didn't display it, but it is a 5x5 200% density straight unit. It is 24 inches. Here is how the inside of the cap is constructed. Your typical regular factory standard cap. The ends are super full, but the knots, man, the knots can break a unit. As you guys can see, it's ventilated kind of differently, so I was a little bit skeptical on how well they would bleach, but the hairline is pre-plucked, so that is a plus. Less work for me to do. I did go ahead and bleach the knots, and I added an adjustable elastic band into my wig for that extra added security. Being that I washed the unit, it dried in this natural wavy state, so I definitely have to go in and silk press it. I went ahead and parted my wig down the center, and let's go ahead and get started on this silk press. So I have my flat iron, my Kaposi flat iron from Amazon. I set it to the highest setting, which is 450 degrees, and I'm using my carbon comb to help do the comb chase method and press the hair out sleek and straight like so. After doing this, I'm going to go in with my generic serum. I'm going to use a little bit. Well, I use a lot of it. But you don't have to be super generous with this product. A pea-sized amount is perfect because then it'll end up looking oily and weighed down. So don't do as I do, but do as I say and use a very little bit of that serum. Now, to add some shine, I'm using my Simply Styling Spray to go over the press and look at that shine. So now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side of the unit until it is all complete and looking like this. Very sleek, straight, and silky to the touch. Now, we all know that 5x5 closure wigs are the go-tos for glueless wig installs, so absolutely no gel, no glue or anything of that sort is needed. All I did was put it on like so, make sure that the lace was tinted. I used a little bit of my foundation. The lace is transparent, so some type of tint or makeup, foundation, powder, or whatever would be needed just to help that lace blend in a lot more. I did silk press this unit 2 nights ago, but look at how sleek and straight it still is. I know that the lace is looking a little bit crazy. I tried using a bit of my makeup to kind of conceal the lace. It's helping, but I'm looking at the mirror and it's still apparent, so I may have to go back in with some darker makeup just to help it blend in a little bit more. But overall, this is how the results of my silk press came out. The hair is super soft, very full. This is the perfect unit to just grab and go. You barely have to touch it up. I silk pressed this unit 2 nights ago. And there you have it, my simple, quick, and easy method of silk pressing my straight hair or straight wigs. I hope that you all found this video super helpful. Let me know in the comments if you did. Thank you all so much for watching, and be sure to check the description. I'll have the link to this wig there along with any available coupon codes. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.